NordPass Password Manager Review Usage Experience. Welcome to our review of NordPass Password Manager. Links to the product are in the description below. Let's dive straight into what makes NordPass stand out and whether it's the right choice for you. NordPass was developed by the team behind NordVPN, a company known for its security expertise. It's designed to simplify and secure your online experience, catering to anyone from casual users to professionals who need reliable password management. First, the user interface. NordPass is clean, intuitive, and works seamlessly across devices, including Windows, macOS, Linux, Android, iOS, and even browser extensions for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, and Safari. Setup is straightforward, and syncing across platforms is automatic, ensuring your passwords are always accessible. A key feature is its zero-knowledge encryption model. This means only you have access to your data. Even NordPass itself can't read your stored passwords. Plus, the app uses XChacha20 encryption, one of the most advanced security protocols, offering a significant upgrade from traditional methods. For convenience, NordPass supports importing passwords from other password managers or browsers. The password generator creates complex, unique credentials to enhance security, and the autofill feature makes logging into accounts quick and hassle-free. Additional features include data breach scanning, which alerts you if your credentials have been exposed in a breach, and a password health checker to identify weak or reused passwords. There's also secure note storage for sensitive information like credit card details or Wi-Fi passwords. NordPass is perfect for individuals and businesses alike. Its business plans include shared folders and admin tools for team-wide password management. For individuals, the premium plan offers unlimited devices, advanced sharing options, and priority support. In terms of pricing, NordPass is competitive, offering a free tier with basic features and premium options for enhanced functionality. In conclusion, NordPass is a robust, easy-to-use password manager with top-tier security features. Whether you're safeguarding personal accounts or managing a team's credentials, NordPass delivers excellent value. Try it out. Links in the description.